This video regarding for particular my channel will be into the moral SEO and the social media and the AdWords purpose. So do the comment any questions. If I'm missing any comment, you can re-comment me into the my comment box option. Any Facebook post you have done, but I'm unable to edit your post. What is the major problem? Suppose I can go to my particular post. I can do number of posts will be there. When you click here, I can edit and delete the post will be there. Some posts will be done. When you click here, only delete option will be there. No edit option will be shown to the customer. What is the problem for this? When showing like this post we are running for ad. So how to know this one? Click for edit. Here is the option. If you are running for your existing post on Facebook and Instagram ads is running, the edit is not acceptable. Please keep it in mind. Any ads are running on Facebook, Instagram, edit is not possible on Facebook option. So that is nothing but you will be any failure issues, nothing like that. The only option is called any ads are running on Facebook, Instagram, the post will be edit and rechange images not possible. Only option will be edit possible, but when edit will be happen, the ad will be completely closed from your Facebook manager option. So if more any details about the Facebook ad option, post edit options is not visible or anything facing, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.